Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at the regular expression module. So okay, we're going to stick with our raven. So there's the raven, nevermore. It's a line in the raven. So alright, we've learned how to use our brackets, search for specific letters. Well, that can be annoying to do all that. So we're going to look at this match. And there are a lot, and we're just going to look at them. So, all right. The \W matches Unicode word characters. So, all right. So we don't have to type all that in. It is the equivalent of any character. Okay. So we are going to look for words. So we're going to go through this very slowly because this can be very tricky. So what? \W, right? And we're going to close this out. And we're going to put in text, not rext, text, and then print out word. So I want to show you the first time what this is going to print out. Okay, it print out every single letter. So now I'm going to show you what that will do. So now this will print out every single word. Now why does it do that? Should look real close. So right now it's every single word. It does not have a space. So now I'm going to give it the space. So now I have every single word with a space after it. And let's go back a half a second. I'm going to show you this. So this grabbed. So let's be thinking about, because we're gonna our future goal, we're gonna get there slowly, is all these sentences, because I want to start looking at these sentences. So okay, put your thinking cap on, and in a few lessons we'll solve what that is. So okay, here we are with. Okay, good, you can see it. All right, so now what happens if we repeated this? W plus. What will this do? So this now does letters, a space, and all the other letters. So what I said is I want a string of characters with a space with another string of characters. So now we're getting the hang of it. So now we want to do, next video we are going to do, think about how a sentence ends. A period, a question mark, an exclamation point, and all of that. So that is that. And this is how quickly regular expressions can get very, very tricky. But we're going to work through them, and we're going to tackle them one problem at a time. Like this right here, look at that. So we'll figure it out, and we'll get there. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for clicking the like button and all the shares. You guys are absolutely awesome. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.